Example 2. The area of the triangle shown on the right is 6 centimeters square. Find the value of x. Okay, that is area problem. The area of the triangle shown is this. Okay, find the value of x. Okay, that is area. Alright, so find the area of this triangles. Okay, I don't want to solve problem involving area, so let's just go for a kind of simple problem. So in triangle PQR, comma, PQ is equals to 13, comma, QR is equal to 15, comma, PR is equals to x. Okay, find two possible values of x. Find two possible values of x. Okay, so the triangle is what we have here. This is the triangle. We have Q, we have 13, we have 15, we have a P, we have a X, we have a R, then we have 60 degree. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see if we have two sides and one of the angle facing the side. Okay, so this over this equals to this over this. So I think we can easily use sine rule here. And meanwhile, this is one of the assignment I gave you, if I'm not mistaken. So this is one of the assignment I've given you. So I don't want to solve the assignment. Okay, so let's look for another sine rule to another cosine formula to apply. All right. So that's your assignment again. Example 3. Example 3. Consider this triangle. We have PQ equals to 4 centimeter. PR equals to 5 centimeter. And QR equals to 6 centimeter. Okay. And angle PRS equals to 22 degree. Okay. So find PS. Find PS. Okay. Correct to two decimal places. Two decimal places. So let's sketch the triangle so we'll see the problem. Remember, sketching is very good. You'll see what is happening. So we have this is Q. We have this is we have another line here. Let's use red point. So this is R, this is S, and this is P. So this point is 4, this point is 5, this point is 6, this angle is 22. So we are looking for PS, this side PS. So this is the side we are looking for. So what can we do to get the side? Let's quickly study what we have. We have QR, and we have this. So what we can do is apply all our formula to find this angle R. If we can get this angle R, then we can use some of angle in a triangle to find this angle, and then we can solve the problem from there. We can solve the problem from there. So what can we? So we are going to plan. First, we use cosine rule. We use cosine rule to find R, and then we use sum of angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line to find the other angle here, to find what is that's obtuse angle R, and then we can use sine rule to find PS. So this is the plan. So these are the steps. That's the algorithm. So let's follow the algorithm and solve it step by step. So using cosine rule, let's find R. So starting by cosine rule, we have a cos R equals to P squared plus Q squared minus R squared all over 2PQ. Okay, so let's substitute our value. P is 6, Q is 5, R is 4. So this is 6 squared plus 5 squared minus 4 squared all over 2 times 6 times 5. Okay, so 2 times 6 times 5. Yeah. So that would be 36 plus 25 minus 16 all over, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 6, that's 60. So we have 36 plus 25 minus that. We can find our answer. 36 plus 25 minus 16. So that is 45. So cos R equals to 45 all over 60. Okay, so 5 here, 15 here, 3, 15 here, 4. So cos R equals to 0.75. So R equals to cos inverse of 0.75. So what's the cos inverse of that? So which is equal to R equals to 41.41. So therefore R equals to 41 degree approximately. Now that we've gotten R, we go to our second step. So sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. So we have 180 degree minus R. So exterior angle R equals to 180 degree minus R. It is 180 degree minus 41, and that is 139 degree. Okay, so that we can now apply the other rules. So let me just draw out the other triangle that we have there, PS. So this is P, this is S, and this is R. So this angle now is 139 degree. And what do we have as? We have angle S, which is 22 degree, and this place PR. Of course, we know that PR is 5. Okay, so and then we can now compute this value accordingly. So using a sine rule, we can now use sine rule. So by sine rule, we have sine 22 all over 5 equal to sine 139 all over small letter r. Okay, so if we cross multiply, we have 5 times sine 139 degree all over sine 22 degree. Okay, so and of course sine 139 is in the second quadrant, So that would be 5 times sine 41 all over sine 22 degree. Okay, so it's 180 minus 139 is 41. And then if we compute that, we have r equals to 5 times sine 41, 0.6561 all over sine 22, right? Sine 22, that is 0.3746. So therefore we have r equals to 5 times 0.6561 divided by 0.3746, which is 8.76. 8.76. Okay, so 8.76. So how many decimal places are we to give our answer? To 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So we now conclude that therefore PS, line PS, is equals to 8.76 centimeter to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places there. So that's the answer, guys, and this is how to work with cosine and sine rule. So make sure you do your assignment, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to let me know in the classroom. Bye.